यहाँ जिंदा में यहाँ जिंदा में यहाँ जिंदा रोने का ये मौका में यहाँ ना यहाँ
Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Top CW Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I went to buy fish, so I'm going to make fish curry today. This is the fish which I bought. Today I'm going to make fish curry. This also will be very unique. I hope you all will like it. So while making the recipe, I will show you the other ingredients. Friends, to fry the fish, I will use mustard oil. So I'm putting the mustard oil. Friends, for the masala, what I'm going to use, this is rye, this is jeera, this is garlic, and this is yellow mustard. This I'm going to grind. I'll put tomato, dhania patti also while making the fish recipe. So I will grind this first. The fish also is frying over here. You can see I fried the fish. Some fish I fried and taken out here. Friends, I have fried the fish. You can see. Now I am frying the potatoes here. I will put potatoes in the fish curry. Friends, this is the fried fish oil. In the same oil I will make the curry. I will put some more mustard oil. Friends, the oil is turned hot. Now I will use some pachforan. This is the pachforan which I am going to use. I have chopped up this onion, you can see, and the green chili here, slit it up, cut into two pieces. This also I will put in. Now I will let the onion fry. Friends, you can see the onion is turned brown. Now I will put in some turmeric powder, some chili powder, and the masala, the paste which I made. This I will put in now. Along with this masala, I will put in the tomato and the dhania patti also. Friends, the masala is frying and the tomato also is almost cooked up. Now I will put in the potatoes, the fried potatoes which I fried and kept. Some salt. I will let the potatoes cook. I will put some Kashmiri mirch powder from the top. Friends, the potatoes are cooked. It's cooked up. Now I will put in the fish. And the tamarind juice, means the pulp. I have taken out here. This I'll put in. Friends, the fish curry is ready. The fish recipe with tamarind pulp is ready. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my video.
कुछ तो अच्छा बड़ा है